Here are 5 things our experts say you shouldn't cook in an air fryer. Number 1, burgers. Because you just won't get that same tasty char you'd get on the grill or in a cast iron pan. No char? No thanks. Number 2, a really big bird. Stuffing a chicken or turkey that's too big in an air fryer is not a great idea. Even if you manage to make it fit, there may not be enough room for the hot air to circulate and cook it evenly, so the outside could burn before the inside's even close to being done. Number 3, battered food. Because the convection fan that circulates the hot air inside the air fryer can blow that batter right off your onion rings. You're better off pan frying or baking them instead. Just to be clear, we're not talking about frozen breaded foods like chicken nuggets. Number 4, grilled cheese. Or anything extra cheesy, because if that cheese oozes out, you'll have one big gooey mess in the bottom of your air fryer. And cleaning an air fryer is so much fun, said no one ever. Number 5, rice, or any other grain that cooks in water. Because even if you use a special air fryer pan insert, your air fryer may not get hot enough to boil the water and cook the rice evenly. Just cook it on the stove, it'll be faster.